Welcome dear students, myself Kanaklata Singh from GGIC Unnao. Now your English class starts. Students, today we will study grammar for class 9th. Today we will discuss about an article from your English grammar book. So students, first what will we study today? Look here. Students, first today we will discuss about definition of article and types of articles, about definite article and indefinite articles. To understand the use of articles, we will read a story about the villager and the donkey. After that, we will study where to use article A, where to use article N, and where to use article the. Now, an exercise for practice. After that, we will learn your homework. Now, first students, we will know what is an article. An article is a word used to modify noun or pronoun. The word a or an is called indefinite article because it does not point out any definite person or definite thing. Students, remember that only singular countable nouns take article A or N. Look here, students, a table. The parts of or types of articles. Two types of articles, indefinite article and definite articles. Now, we will know about the definite article. Word the is called definite article because it points out any definite or particular person or thing. Article A and N and the. These three words are called articles. Students, now I am going to tell you a story about the villager and the donkey to show the use of articles. Students, here a story about the villager and the donkey. While reading this story, you have seen the underlined words a, an, and the. Once there was a villager who had an old donkey. Every day, the villager would load the donkey with many heavy packages, and every day the donkey would have to walk for many kilometers with the heavy baggage on his back. The villager would make the donkey work very hard, but would never give the donkey enough food to eat, and so the donkey kept on growing weaker and weaker. Students, after reading this story, we have seen these three words underlined a, an, and the. These three words are called articles. The first word, a villager. The first word, a villager, is symbolizing for one villager, and we use here a before the word villager because the word villager starts with consonant V. And the second word an old donkey is also symbolizing one old donkey, but this word before we use the word an because the word old starts with vowel O. So, article an is used before it. Students, you know in English alphabet these 5 letters are called vowels A, E, I, O, U, and rest letters are called consonants. So, now we will know about the third word, the donkey. The word is used before the word donkey or before the word villager because this time that villager or that donkey is not new one. We have already discussed about or noticed about earlier in the first line. So, after that we can use article the. Students, when we speak of a noun for the first time, we use article a or an. But when we speak of it again, we use article the before it. Now, students, we will learn where to use article a or where to use article an. Now, see the first sentence. Article a is used before a consonant sound. For example, in the first sentence, I saw a boy walking in the garden. In this sentence, the word boy starts with a consonant letter B, so article a is used before it. In the second sentence, a car runs very fast. In the second sentence, the word car also starts with a consonant C, so article a is used before it. Now, article a is used before letter U, but it is pronounced as consonant Y. For example, a cow is a useful animal. The word useful also starts with letter U. Letter U is a vowel, but in this sentence, in this word, useful pronounced like as a consonant Y. So, article a is used before it. In the second sentence, he is a European. Students, the word European also starts with vowel E, but it is pronounced here like consonant Y. So, article a is used before it. Article a is used before letter O, pronounced as consonant W. For example, I lost a 1 rupee note. Look here, the word 1 starts with vowel O, but it is pronounced like as consonant W. So, article a is used before it. Now, we will learn about where article an is used. Article an is used before vowel sound. As you know, these 5 letters are called vowels: A, E, I, O, U. In the first sentence, I saw an ox running in the garden. The word ox starts with vowel O. So, article an is used before the word ox because it starts with vowel O. The second sentence, there is an egg on the plate. The word egg starts with vowel E, so article an is used before it. Have you an ink pot with you? In this sentence, the word ink pot also starts with vowel I, so article an is used before this word. We learn that article A is used before the consonant sound and article an is used before the vowel sound. Article an is used before the silent letter H and it is pronounced as vowel sound O. Look here, the example, he was an hour late. The word hour starts with consonant, starts with letter H, but it is pronounced here as vowel O. So, article an is used before it. The second sentence, he is an honest man. This word also starts with letter H, but it is pronounced as vowel O, and in pronunciation letter H is silent here. So, article an is used before it. Students, remember that article a or an means one or single. You cannot use a or an with plural nouns. Students, now we will learn about the use of article the. Article the is used before common noun when we want to particularly use it. For example, this is the girl who stood first in the class. The word girl. Here we want the use of this word for particular use. So, article the is used before this word. This is the boy who won the first prize. In the second sentence, the word boy, we want this word particular use, it is said about a particular boy. So, article the is used before this word. Students, now we will learn today the use of article an. Article an is used before a vowel sound. Look here the example. First sentence, I saw an ox running in the garden. The word ox starts with vowel O, so article an is used here. The second sentence, the word egg starts with vowel E, so article an is used before it. The third sentence, the word ink pot starts with vowel I, so article an is used before it. We know A, E, I, O, U, 5 letters are called vowels. So, article an is used before a vowel sound. Article n is used before the letter h is pronounced as vowel sound o and h is silent here. For example, he was an hour late. Look here students, the word hour starts with consonant h, but it is pronounced like as vowel o, so article n is used before it. The second sentence, the word honest also starts with letter h, but it is pronounced as vowel o, so article n is used before it. Students, remember that article a and n means one or single. You cannot use article a or n with plural nouns. Now, we will learn the use of article the. Article the is used before common noun when we want to particular use it. For example, the first sentence, the girl who stood first in the class. Here it is said about the particular girl who stood first in the class because we want the particular use of girl. So, article the is used before this word. The second sentence, this is the boy who won the first prize. Here the word boy use as a particular use, it is said about who won the first prize. So, here we want the use of boy, a particular use. So, article the is used before it. Now, article the is used before adjectives in the superlative degree. For the first example, he is the oldest man in the village. The word oldest is used here in superlative degree. So, article the is used before it. Second sentence, the word cleverest is used here in superlative degree. So, article the is used before it. Article the is used before the names of the rivers, names of the oceans and names of the mountain ranges, and before unique nouns and before the names of the holy books, etc. For example, the Ganga is a big river, the Yamuna is also big river, the Arabian Sea, the Red Sea, the Himalayas and the Vindhyas. Before the unique noun like the sun, the moon, the earth. Article the is used before the names of the holy books like the Gita, the Ramayana is a holy book of Hindus. Article the is used before a noun mentioned earlier. Look, example here, a man was going to the city, a dog was behind him. In the first sentence, article a is used before the word man and before the word dog, because these are nouns used earlier, but the second sentence these nouns are used again. So, article the is used the second time. The man sat under a tree but the dog did not stop. Article the is used when adjective is used as a noun. For example, he always stands by the weak. The word weak is used here as noun. The second sentence, God helps the weak and the poor. Both the words weak and poor are used here as nouns. So, article the is used before these words. When proper noun is used as common noun, article the is used before Here Kalidas is the Shakespeare of India. Here the word Shakespeare is used as common noun, so article the is used before it. Article the is used before a noun which indicates a community. For example, the camel is the sheep of desert. In this sentence, we are saying that all the camels are considered to be the sheep of the desert, just not one. So, now we will have learned about the article and the use of articles. Here is an exercise for practice. So, look students, this exercise where the use of article a, an and the. Now students, we will solve this exercise and learn the use of article a, an and the. The first sentence, Chinese is one of the most. Article the is used here because the word most in superlative degree. Second sentence, the article is used because this word sun is unique noun and the word east is also unique noun. The next sentence, I want an umbrella. This word starts vowel u, so article an is used here. Seema is an honest girl. Article an is used here because H letter is silent in pronunciation. Article an is used here before this word apple because this word starts with vowel a. Article a is used before the word days because it starts with consonant D. Now, next sentence, I have been waiting for an hour. Article an is used here because in pronunciation letter H is silent here. She is a very unhappy girl. This word very starts with consonant V, so article a is used before it. I am eating an orange. This word orange starts with vowel O, so article an is used before it. Next sentence, the article used here before the word Ganga because it is the name of river and it is also name of river. So, article the is used here. Next sentence, I need an iron rack to store all the books. This word iron starts with vowel I, so article an is used before it. Next sentence, we bought a bed. The word bed starts with consonant B, so article a is used here, and this word Almira starts with vowel A, so article an is used here. I am eating the pear. We want particular pear, so article the is used before the word pear. Give me the letter. We want particular letter and given by to particular teacher. So, article the is used here. Next sentence, my daughter wants to buy a dog. This word dog starts with consonant D, so article A is used here. Come and look at the children, because the particular children, so article the is used here. Now we have learned the use of article a and the. Students, now we will learn where article is not used or omission of the article. Now, students, we will learn where article is not used or omission of the article. No article is used before the names of languages. English is taught all over India. Sanskrit is a difficult language. Both the names of the languages, so no article is used before the names of languages. No article is used before proper nouns. For example, Akbar was a very wise king. Delhi is the capital of India. Raman lives in Pune. In these sentences, you look, the proper nouns are used here. So, no article is used before the proper noun. No article is used before abstract and material nouns. For example, health is better than wealth, wisdom is better than courage, and iron is more useful than gold. In these sentences, abstract nouns and material nouns are used, so no articles are used before the names of languages, before the names of proper nouns, and before the abstract nouns and the materials nouns. So, students, today we have learned about the use of article a and the, and where should we use the article a and the, and I hope you have learned today the definition of article and the use of article. Here is an exercise for your homework. You students note down this exercise on your copies and fill the appropriate articles before this. Thank you.